Hello kids, how are you? I hope you all are good. So I guess you all have got your book sets now, and if you don't have them yet, then buy them as soon as possible, okay? So in this video, I'm going to tell you how you will maintain your fair notebook. And today we are going to start the bookwork also. Okay kids, now we are going to do the bookwork of chapter number 2, Inside My Body. So this is your book and this is the cover page. Okay kids, now let's start the bookwork, Inside My Body. Unjumble the names of body parts given below and write them correctly. So here you will have to write the right spelling of a particular body part. Okay. So E-Y-E-I, N-O-S-E, nose, M-O-U-T-H, mouth, F-I-N-G-E-R-S, fingers, K-N-E-E, knee, T-O-E-S, toes, C-H-E-E-K, cheek, N-E-C-K, neck, P-A-L-M, palm, W-A-I-S-T, waist. Okay, now let's continue. So here, encircle the organs that are used in performing each of the following actions. So you have to circle that particular organs that help you to do these actions. Okay, first is walking, and the answer is feet and legs. They help us to walk. Writing, and the answer is hands and arms. We write with the help of our hands and arms. Reading, and the answer is eyes. Sneezing, and the right answer is nose. After this, watching TV. Ears and eyes. We can watch TV with the help of our ears and eyes. We can hear with the ears and watch with the eyes. Okay. After this, take the correct option. So you have to take the correct answer of these questions. Each of our body part is called an organ. Okay, so the right answer is organ. After this, the nose help us to, first is think, smell and breathe, see. So the right answer is smell and breathe. Third is the largest sense organ is eye, ear or skin. So the right answer is skin. Our skin is our largest sense organ. Okay. So we will do these questions in our fair notebook. Okay. Look at the pictures given below. Write the sense organ that is helping the child to. So you have to write the correct sense organ after reading this. Okay. Feel the warmth. So the answer is skin. We can feel the warmth with the help of skin. Taste the ice cream. Answer is tongue. Watch the stars. Answer is eyes. Smell the rose, and the answer is nose. Listen to the music, and the right answer is ears. Okay. So next is identify the internal organs shown below and name them. So you have to write the correct answer here. Okay. So see these pictures and tell me which organ is this. This is a picture of heart. H-E-A-R-T, heart. And this is the picture of stomach. S-T-O-M-A-C-H. After this, brain. This is a picture of brain. B-R-A-I-N. Okay, in this is the picture of lungs. L-U-N-G-S. Okay, let's continue. Solve the puzzle. So you have to solve this puzzle here, okay, and you have to circle the alphabets and make a name of correct organ, okay. So when you circle this HEART, this is first organ. Second is NECK, neck. BRAIN, brain. And HAND, hand, okay. After this, our body part is a wonderful machine in which different body parts work together. Read the clues given and guess the name of the body part. So read this clue and write the correct name of that body part, okay. This body organ pumps blood to all parts of our body. So what is the answer? Heart. Heart pumps blood to all body parts of our body, okay. Second is, we have 10 of them in both feet. We have toes. We have 10 toes in both feet, okay. Food is digested here. So where is the food digested? Stomach. STOMACH. And the fourth is, there are 2 in number and help us in walking, and that is foot. Right answer is foot. This organ controls all the activities of our body, and the right answer is brain. Brain controls all the activity of our body. So the bookwork of second chapter is done here, and you will write this in your books very neat and clean, okay. So kids, this is your fair notebook of EVS, and the color of your notebook is gray, okay. And this is index. How you will maintain the index? Serial number. Here first of all you will write the serial number, and that is 1. After that you will write here date. Topic. In topic you will write the chapter number and chapter name. We are going to do the chapter number 2, inside my body. After this you will write the page number. So we are going to do the question answers of inside my body. First of all you will write the date. After this, page number. After this you will write the chapter number 2, and in the next line you will write chapter name, that is inside my body, okay. So question number 1 is, what are external organs? So what are external organs? An answer is, external organs are the body parts that are outside our body, okay. Question number 2. So after one question you will drop one line, okay. Question number 2, what are internal organs? Answer, internal organs are the body parts that are inside our body, okay. Now next page. So first one side is plain, okay, and one side is with lines. Question number 3, how many bones and muscles do we have? Answer, we have 206 bones and about 600 muscles in our body, okay. After this drop one line. Question number 4, what are sense organs? Answer is, sense organs are the body parts that help us to know about the things around us, okay. So in the end of the video I will attach the screenshot of these pages so you can write cleanly in your notebooks.